Okay, just a short video here to show you the Loncin diesel 460cc, as I say, diesel engine, key start with pull start is back up, with a 21 litre belt driven AR pump. I'd say on a diesel washer you really need belt driven as opposed to gearbox, because you get just far too many vibrational problems with gearboxes. The pump really needs to be separated from the engine to save any wear and damage to the shaft, etc. So this machine has that. Galvanized trolley. It's a good, strong, powerful machine. Everything's quick release here, so just do a quick demo. Okay, so how you start the machine is, just focus here, is this controls your revs and starts and stops the engine. So you set that to wherever you want to put the revs, and then screw that to set it, and when you want to stop it, anti-clockwise, and once that goes up, that stops the fuel pump and stops the engine. Okay, so to start, say set that 3/4, tighten. Okay, connect up the suction hoses. This is an outer bypass system, so it returns to the tank when you let go of the trigger. So that's your big hose there for sucking the water up, and that's your return hose, all quick release. Okay, particle filter here. Just keep the two of those taped together. Put them into your water, then connect up your high pressure hose like so. Put your lance. We'll just set the camera back a bit here so you can see the machine. So we've set the revs. Pick up the lance. We'll take the nozzle out just to flush the air out fast. Key here. Okay, you can see that's a very strong machine, and again, that's your Loncin diesel engine. It's probably, that machine built, probably the guts of £1,000 cheaper than a Yanmar. So offers value for money, runs on red diesel, which is a bit of a saving on the fuel side of things as well. And yeah, it's a very robust setup machine. Stainless steel belt guard, galvanized trolley, heavy duty battery, twin wire hose, all good quick release couplings. That's the Loncin diesel. Cheers.